Hey, it's Dr. Phelps. We're about to do an upper blepharoplasty and a periocular CO2 laser resurfacing. What we're doing with the blepharoplasty, removing the extra skin, that's changing the tissue in terms of the mount. What the CO2 laser resurfacing does is it helps with skin texture and tone and skin quality. Especially under the eyes, you can see some of these fine lines and wrinkles, especially when she's smiling. And what this is going to do is really give her a more defined eyelid without that heavy feeling that she has.
It's been a week since my upper bleph and CO2 laser resurfacing. I'm feeling great. I never had any pain. There was swelling, but swelling is a lot better now, and my skin is peeling around my eyes. That's expected, but I'm feeling great. I'm very happy with the results. This is the 6-week appointment after my surgery. I'm very excited about the results. I had no pain. I still have no pain, but I have amazing results, and I'm excited to share with everyone.
All right, we're here at 3 months after an upper blepharoplasty. The goal is to help see that tarsal platform show all the way across the eyelid so that she can apply makeup and see the eyelid all the way across. Looks great, nice and symmetric afterwards. As you can see, the results are incredible. This is what it's supposed to look like. Patient's really happy, no complications, everything went smooth.
I've been wanting to have an upper bleph done for the last 5 years. I saw that my eyes were looking heavy and tired. I wanted to get that corrected just to look like myself, just a better version. Dr. Phelps has highly recommended. I also know people who needed corrections to be done and came to have them done by Dr. Phelps, and I wanted to have it done right the first time. Dr. Phelps is very skilled, very knowledgeable, but the team working with him is as well. He answered all of my questions and were available at any time when I needed them. I feel my results are better than what I expected. I talk about my results and my experience here with everyone I meet and recommended several people who have came to visit here already. I am very happy, and if you are questioning if this is something for you, I would say look no further.